Hi, this is Joel from Chapman Manufacturing, and breaking news, I'm finally releasing our typewriter sets. We've had delay after delay this year because of 2020, but they're finally available in 3 colors. And I had a lot of help putting these sets together from 2 gentlemen, and they really gave me an education about typewriters, especially that a lot of the antique typewriters have slotted screws where the slot is very thin, but the screw is very wide. So we matched them up to our bits, and these kits contain 2 each of the most commonly used slotted bits. Like the rest of our kits, all of our slotted bits are the gunsmithing style hollow ground that are meant to bend or break before damaging a screw, which is especially important on antique typewriters. The bit diagram chart has a hand-drawn graphic by an artist and typewriter enthusiast named Lucas Dull, which really came out pretty neat. And the pink set, like all of our pink sets, has a black handle with pink script, and it has a 2-tone black and silver ratchet. So you can buy these new typewriter sets and all of our sets on our website, chapmanmfg.com.